Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. A beautiful day to you all. God bless you guys. I want you guys to just sit down and watch this video to the end. We have carefully selected the best of short haircuts for beautiful black women. These are indeed sexy hairstyles that will take many years off your age, and it's a haircut that is low maintenance and will make you look gorgeous. So if you want to have those kind of hairstyles, the right case like the MIELLE product is what will cost for about $7. They have some for $10, some for $5, at least within the range of $7 or $20. You can achieve MIELLE kits that will give you those beautiful colors on your screen, and you can, for you to achieve this beautiful color, whether you want the pre-lightener for the platinum or any color of your choice, you can use the kings and coils because within the same range of $7 to $20 you can get the kings and coils, and you can get all these products online through Amazon and AliExpress. And if you also look for a way, maybe you want to get the barbers you're seeing, like this is Tolu Baby. I think he's based in Nigeria, and he's a guy that knows how to barb very well. So for the ladies that are in Nigeria, please guys, you guys can just check out this Tolu Baby in Lekki. I think his link is also in my description box. So other places too, like the Coco, who is based in Trinidad Tobago, the Step the Barber, who is the CEO of Kings and Coils, is based in Atlanta, Georgia. We have so many of those beautiful barbers and handsome barbers that will give you guys the best of styles you are looking for. So this is also from Tayo also, I think it's based in Nigeria too. It's also a guy that knows how to barb too. So sometimes you can book online or check through my description box on how you can connect with these guys for you to have those beautiful cuts on your screen. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Whoa. Now waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't judge me again. What have you done to me? I don't know. Everything you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Everything you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Whoa. Everything you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Everything you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Whoa. Everything you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Everything you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me.